Hello everyone, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Today we are going to render in Vray and we will also take a closer look at HDRI or High Dynamic Range Imaging. Let's go to hdrihaven.com. Download at least two sizes, one for sketch render and one for final render. Let's put a dome light to our scene. Open the Vray Asset Editor. This is the dome light that we have just added to our scene. Let's take a sample render. The sky background that we see is a default HDRI. We will replace it. We will use this one for test render. To brighten the scene, let's go to the Settings tab of the Vray Asset Editor. The default setting of our standard camera is 14.24. Let's try an exposure value of 11. Our HDRI is a little blurred. Let's adjust it. And also we don't have any HDRI here and here, this white space. To fix this one, let's check this spherical. Let's render again. I want a brighter scene. Let's lower our exposure value. Let's make it 9, and this time let's render with Vray Interactive. Let's do a final render. We will replace our HDRI. We will now use this HDRI with a much higher resolution. The size is 398 megabytes. And in the Settings tab, let's increase our render output. HDRI produces extremely realistic lighting, sharp reflections, and backgrounds. We have to download them in order to see its full effect to our model or scene. We cannot conclude that this is not a good one just by looking at these thumbnails. For example, this one, we will download it and see its effect in our scene. Let's make a smaller render output. So maybe we can rotate our dome light icon, and let's see. So maybe this is a good one, and we can settle for this one. In this HDRI, we can see that the sun is facing us, but in our scene, because we have rotated our dome light, we made it appear that the sun is facing our model. Just remember that the default sunlight is not enabled. I don't need any setting for the scene, like the intensity of the sun. I can just accept this one. If I want my image to be bright or darker, I just adjust them in the camera settings by placing a lower or higher exposure value. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you soon. Mabuhay ang mga Pinoy visualizers.